Welcome back guys, and in your MI phone, if you have stuck ever on this screen, Fastboot screen, so in this video we are going to discuss some two methods by which you can just come out from this hang screen. This is not a hang screen, this is not a bug, this is not a problem, this is one of the mode in which some functions works. If you connect to the laptop, you can do something which most of the some experts are doing. So but if you have stuck in your mobile on this screen, I am going to tell you two methods. First method is this power on button is there. Just 1 minute. This power on button, this is volume plus, volume minus. This power on button you have to press and keep it pressed for more than 14-15 seconds. So just keep it pressed. Now what will happen, see, keep it pressed. Now it has switched off and now it is starting. So now it will boot into the normal mode. So this was the first method by which you can go into the normal mode whenever you stuck in the fast boot mode. So this was the first thing. And the second thing, let me give some time. I will switch off, it will switch on. Now I will switch off it, and this second method I wanted to tell you, this is power plus, volume plus, volume minus, and this is power on. You have to keep all three buttons pressed for more than 14 seconds, 15 seconds. So this is a slight bit you will find it difficult to press all the three buttons simultaneously. So you can do like that from first two fingers, volume plus and volume minus, and from the third, power on. Just now press it for 14-15 seconds. Okay, I have pressed it. Now it has switched off and now it will booting into the normal mode. So suppose by pressing all the three keys simultaneously, it is switched. Suppose it has become switched off, then you need to keep press power on button one more times for some seconds. So it will now boot into the normal mode. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you have stuck in the power on sequence and your mobile goes into the fast boot mode, these are the methods by which you can go into the normal mode and in working state. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.